Yes, they're almost done with our second floor. We're really happy about that. As you could see, they've been working around moving our belongings out of the way. We're going to pay a little extra for that. The tiles look good. Our son's tiles look better. That's just a bedroom for the kids right there. But I just want to put this video out so you can guys get a look at our house that's being worked on now. And we're so excited to get back to the Philippines.
Wala na, yang piling ko ada yang ini yang ini banyak ya,